What's up, YouTube? Today is May 2nd. I got some things to share with you. Some TTM returns. First up, trading card from former Major League pitcher Terry Leach. Signed this 93 Topps card. Second return on a 1990 Pro Set. Wendell Davis, wide receiver. Lastly, for the cards, on this Leaf draft, Joey Bosa, rookie card, a collegiate card, I guess you could say, beautifully signed in blue. And then lastly is going to be an 8x10 return, coming from the refrigerator, William Perry, of the Super Bowl winning team from the 85 season. Inscribed it to me beautifully in silver on this photo file I sent with a little small donation. And that's it. Hope to talk to you guys again soon.